Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG washing machine. After you have decided on a suitable place to install your washing machine, it's time to unpack it. We recommend at least 2 people to handle the unpacking. First, remove the straps from the box. Then, carefully lift up the box to remove it. Next, remove all protective packaging, the carton and shipping material. On a select few models, the washing machine is shipped with a tub support. If this is the case, make sure the tub support comes off with the base and is not stuck to the bottom of the appliance. You will find the accessories in different locations, so be sure to also check the base, as well as on the inside of the drum and on top of the washing machine to make sure you don't miss any accessories. Now let's move on to removing the transit bolts. The washing machine is fitted with 4 transit bolts to secure the drum from bouncing during shipping. These bolts need to be removed before any usage. First, it's a good idea to start with the bottom 2 transit bolts. Use the wrench included in the accessories to fully loosen all transit bolts by turning them counterclockwise. After they are fully loosened, remove by wiggling them slightly while pulling them out. After all 4 transit bolts have been removed, place the hole caps where the transit bolts were. The hole caps are included in the accessory pack or attached on the back. Do not throw away the transit bolts and retainers, save them for future use. If you later need to transport the washing machine again, remove the caps, reinsert the bolts and fasten them with the wrench to prevent damage. And that is how to unpack and remove the transit bolts from your new LG washing machine. Thank you for using LG washing machines.